Hello everyone, welcome to UN College Digital Class. Myself Sarmalata Patra, lecturer in IT. Today I am going to discuss about operator. Let us first discuss what is operator. An operator is a symbol or a character. It specifies some operations or processes. Okay. There are different types of operator in MySQL. Let us discuss about types of operator. First one is arithmetic operator, then second one is comparison operator, then third one is not operator, then fourth one is AND operator, and fifth one is XOR, and sixth one is OR operator. Let us first discuss about arithmetic operator. Okay. Next, unary minus. Okay. This plus indicate addition operator, and minus for minus operator, and star for multiplication operator, division for division operator, and modulo for modulus operator. Division for integer, div for integer division, and this symbol for unary minus. It changes the sign of the argument. The operator is plus, number 1 plus. It helps to add two number. Okay. In SQL, to add two number, we have to use the command select 5 plus 3 semicolon. Okay. MySQL select 5 plus 3, it gives 8. And next, for subtract, command is to subtract two number, command is select, suppose 5 minus 3 semicolon, then result is 2. Then to multiply two number, command is select 5 into 3, it gives the result 15. Okay. And for a division operator, this command is used to divide two number. Let us take an example. Select 5 by 3, then result is 6, like this. Okay. For using modulus operator, command is select 5 modulus 3. Your answer will, it only stores 5 by 3, 3 1 ja 3 2. It only stores the remainder of the result. Okay. Suppose division by 0 produces null result. For that, select 100 1 minus 1, that will produce null value. Okay. Next, div, division operator. Select 5 div 2 semicolon, that will produce only the result 2. Here decimal point is removed. Okay. This is all about arithmetic operator. Okay. Next one is comparison operator. This operator helps to compare in between two number, whether this number is greater or smaller. This will we are able to find by using this operator. Okay. Then comparison operator is here equal to, less than, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to, not equal to, like this. Okay. These are the comparison operator. Next, to show the use of comparison operator in my SQL. Let us discuss about greater than operator. It helps to find out the number which I want to display. Okay. For that I have to give some condition. Okay. For that command is select roll number name from student where total mark greater than 350. This command only display the student who have secured mark above 350. So for after executing this command, it will display the output roll number, name and total mark. Okay. Roll number 2, 3, 4, 5, Sipra, Shubham, Sweet, Sachitra, total mark 355, 366, 400, 450. It will be the output by giving this condition greater than. Okay. Suppose I want to display the name of the student who have secured total mark equal to 350, it will only display the name of the student who have secured only 350 mark. Okay. So after running this command, output will be roll number, name, who is secured 350, roll number 1, name is Subhra, total mark is 350. Okay. This will be the output. Suppose I want to display the name of the student who have secured less than 360, who have secured mark, total mark less than 360. So for that we have to give this one. Select roll number, name from student where total mark less than equal to 360. After executing this command, output will be, output only display the name of the student who have secured mark above 360. Sorry, less than equal to 360. Here roll number, name, total mark will only display, and the name of the student who have secured below 360, 1, 2, Subhra, Sipra, total mark is 350. So next I want to display the name of the student who have to secured mark 360 greater than equal to 360. Okay. Then by executing this command, output will be it only display the student who have secured above 360 or equal to 360. Okay. The roll number, it only display the row 3, 4, 5. Shubham, Sweetie, Sachitra, and total mark 360, 400 and 450. This is the result. This mark is equal to 360 and greater than, these are the mark which is greater than 360. Okay. This is all about comparison operator. Next clause is order by clause. To show the use of order by clause, here I have to give an example. Select star from student, order by roll number DESC, semicolon. After executing this command, it will automatically display the roll number column in descending order. Okay. And next command is select star from student, order by roll number ASC. After executing this command, the output will be, the roll number column will be in ascending order. Okay. By help of this command, we are able to order the column, okay, whether in form of ascending or in the form of descending. Next one is group by clause. This command allows the user to form groups based on specified condition. So, let us take an example. For that, to show the example, first write syntax. Select column function, column name from table, group by column, then semicolon. Then select name. Suppose here I use a function named as sum. Suppose I want to sum total mark, okay, total mark from student, group by name, semicolon. Okay. Next, let us start between operator. Suppose I want to display the roll number value which consists of between 2 to 5. Okay. For that, I have to use this command, between operator. Okay. The between operator selects value within a range, some specific range. Okay. For that, syntax is select column name from table name, where column name between value 1 and value 2, semicolon. For example, is select, suppose column name is roll number, column name is roll number from table name, from student, where column name roll number between value 2 and 5. Okay. After executing this command, only this particular record will be displayed. Okay. 3, 4, 5. Today's class I have discussed about different types of operator, comparison operator, arithmetic operator, between operator, and next class I will be discuss about some other operators. Thank you.